So in JavaScript, we have operators. We have arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators means plus, minus, asterisk. It is actually a multiplication operator. Division, percentile. These are actually arithmetic operators. These are arithmetic operators. We have power of as well. Okay. 2 power of 5. 2 power of 5 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2. So we have to multiply 2 with the 5. 2 with the 5 twos. Okay. 2 power of 5. 3 power of 2. 3 power of 2 means 3 into 2, 3 into 3. So these are actually arithmetic operators. Okay. So let us begin with the plus operator. For practicing JavaScript, we have to go to background script. Okay, I am taking var f name. F name is a variable name is equal to Uday. Uday is a string. Okay. Semicolon means end of the line. Var L name is equal to Gadiparthi. Okay. So these are two variables. I want to add these two values. I want to add these two values. To add these two values, I will use plus operator. R full name is equal to F name plus operator plus L name. F name plus L name. So what am I doing? I am actually combining Uday Gadiparthi together. Use dot print full name. So it is giving Uday Gadiparthi together. So I want a space in the middle. Space is a string. I am actually adding some string here. This is a string again. So Uday string plus space plus Gadiparthi. So totally you are getting Uday Gadiparthi name here. So what is plus doing here? Combining two strings. Plus will combine two strings. Okay. Getting my point. Let us try to combine two arrays. So what is it doing? What is it doing? Let me take the type of here. It is converting them as a string. It is converting them as a string. Plus operator is actually converting them as a string. Two arrays, if you add two arrays, it is combining it as a string. Getting my point? So plus will add strings. Okay. Plus will add two strings. Okay. Plus will add two things, two strings. Yes, numbers also. Where number one, number two. Number one I am taking here as 50. 50. Number two I am taking here as number one, number two, number three. So number three will give you 50 plus 20. What is 50 plus 20? 70. Plus will add two numbers. Plus will add two numbers. Okay. Fine. 50 is a string. 20 is a string now. Because 50 is in the single quote and 20 is in the single quote. What it does, 50, 20, it will give output. It will not give output as 70. It is concatenating. It is adding numbers. It is not actually adding two numbers. It is concatenating two strings. You understand my point? Plus will actually add two strings. Plus will add two numbers. So adding two strings is nothing but concatenation. Plus will actually concatenate two strings. Plus will add two numbers. Suppose 50 you have taken, 50 is actually a string, 20 is a number. 50 is a string, 20 is a number. Then what will be the output? Again 20, 50, 20. Finally, it will become string again. Finally, the output is 50, 20. Because this is a string. Finally, it will be a string. You are getting my point? What is plus operator doing? Plus will concatenate two strings. Plus will add two numbers. One string plus one number means it will become finally a string. Can it add 20 to the string? This is a number, this is a string. It can't add, right? That is actually about the plus operator. I'll show you one background script here. In this script, how exactly the plus operator is using, you can understand here. You see here, they are using plus operator to the string. They are actually adding one more value here. Plus operator. They are concatenating another value with the string. Automatically, it will become string. Got my point, right? That is actually about a plus operator. So, subtraction operator. Subtraction is actually minus. So now you can see what will be the output and all. This is a string, this is a number. How will it will subtract and all, you will see here. So it is actually dividing string into, from string to, it is dividing number. Okay. It is a string, it is a number, but still it is actually subtracting it. This plus operator, minus operator, we read it from the first standard or second standard. So I'm just changing it to 40. 40 minus 20. Finally, the output is 20. Minus operator will subtract the values. And I am using multiplication operator here. This is 40 into 20. 800. 800 is the output we should expect here. You can see 800. If you go to the script here, you are able to see star, hashtag. This is actually multiplying 100, 60, 60, 24. It is multiplying these numbers. Getting my point? This hashtag is actually a multiplication operator. It will multiply the values. Okay. So this is actually a division operator. 40 by 20. 40 by 20 means the expected output is 2. The expected output is 2. You can see the division operator here. This is a division operator. Whatever the operator that we use here, division operator. So same division operator you have used here. So wherever you see some special, wherever you see some operator, if you don't know about it, try to explore. Try to explore. Is there any operator which you are not familiar? Okay, equal to operator. Equal to operator, I'll tell you. Equal to is an assignment operator. So we understand about plus operator. We have seen multiplication operator here. We have division operator here. We are seeing everything in the same script, right? See, yesterday we understand this commenting option. We understand data type as well. We understand variable declaration as well. Var keyword. What is this var keyword? What is this variable name? How to declare this variable name and all. In today's session, we are understanding these operators. So now you explain me this line, guys. Can anyone you explain this line? What this line is doing? This gs.print is actually printing the output in the console. That is actually one thing. So if you see something in the double quotes, that is a string. This is a concatenation operator, plus operator. This is a JavaScript variable. JavaScript variables will never be in the single quotes or double quotes. If you see something in the single quotes or double quote, you should consider as a string. JavaScript variables will never be in the single quotes or double quotes. So this is not there in the single quote or double quote. You can immediately treat this as a variable. So that is how you should be able to first read line by line what each line is doing and all. Suppose in ServiceNow, whatever the line they give, whatever the line of script they give, I can read it. Getting my point? So you are dividing one value here. You are dividing one value. You are dividing one value with this particular 1000 into 60 into 60 into 24. So let us take this value is 10,000. 10,000 by 60,000. 60,000. 3,60,000. 3,60,000 into 24. I don't know. I can't calculate it. Okay. So this is a division operator that we have just discussed. Okay. And now we'll understand about the modulo operator. Modulo operator. So I'm giving here 45. 21 jar 20. 22 jar 40. So after 40, what is the remaining value? 5. What is the remaining value? 5. That remaining value you will get it. That remaining value you will get it here. Remaining value is 5. Let us say I am giving 66 here. So 21 jar 20. 22 jar 40. 23 jar 60. What is the remaining value here? 6. 6 you will get output here. 6 you have got the output as 6. Let us take 88. 4 jar 80. Remaining value 8. I am giving 100 here. 0. 25 are 100. There is no remaining value. Okay. That is actually about modulus operator. Modulo operator will give you reminder value. Okay. So number one I am giving here. Number two I am giving here 5. So here I am using power of operator. Power of. 2 power of 5. 2 into 2. 4. 4 into 2. 8. 8 into 2. 16. 16 into 2. 32. So the expected output here is 32. What is this? 7 is going. Is it acting like plus operator or what? Double star. But service now is not taking power off. Service now is not taking power off, guys. We can't do anything here. Okay, if it is not working, we'll leave it. The multiplication operator. So these are the arithmetic operators, guys. These are the arithmetic operators. Okay. Fine. Now we will start discussing about assignment operators. But if you start discussing about assignment operators, it is very difficult for you to understand. But you have to understand it with focus. Assignment operators. Equal to is an assignment operator. So what we are doing, we are assigning two value to number one using equal to operator. Equal to is an operator. We are assigning 5 value to number 2 variable using equal to operator. You are assigning multiplied value to this number 3 variable using equal to operator. Equal to is an assignment operator. Okay. Now we will see S is equal to operator. S is equal to. S is equal to. Now you see here where age is equal to 45. Where age is equal to 45. Okay. Age is equal to 55. What will happen now? What is the final result? Finally, it is printing 55. So first you assigned 45 value to age variable. Next you assigned 55 value to this age variable. So this 55 is overriding this 45. This 55 is overriding this 45. So instead of overriding it, I want to calculate these two values. Age plus is equal to 45. 45 plus 55, 100. It will print 100 here. So this line meaning is A is equal to age is equal to age plus 55. So here first this 45 will come here. 45 plus 55, 100. This 100 will be stored in this age variable. You understand? What is the overriding and what is actually appending? This is actually appending. This is actually appending to this 45 value. It is adding 55 value. Totally it is getting 100. So if I use age plus is equal to 50. Now what happens? 45 plus 55, 100, 100 plus 50. Finally, it will give output as 150. Getting my point? Okay. I am taking age as here. I'm using multiplication operator. What it does? Into 55. 550. 550 into 50. 550 into 50. 27,500. So what is it doing? So it is multiplying this value with this value. So you will get one value. That with that value, you are actually multiplying with this value. You're getting my point? So you are taking 1000 here. 1000 minus 55. What happens? 9,000, 945 around you will get. Minus 50. 945 minus 50 means 895. See, this variable has some value. In that value, you are actually minusing it. So it will become 800, 945, 945 minus 50, 895. Okay. So you are dividing it. 1000 divided by 55. Some value you will get. With that value, you are again dividing with a, let us take some 10. So what will be the value you are getting? You will see here. So this is the value that you are getting. You are able to understand, right? If you have to add the value to the same variable, let us take where my name is equal to Uday. Okay. My name plus is equal to Kishore. My name plus is equal to Gadiparthi. So first, in this variable you stored this one. To this value, you are actually adding this value. Uday Kishore, to the Uday Kishore, you are adding Gadiparthi. Finally, the output will be you're getting my point? That is how the plus equal to operator, the plus equal to operator, the minus equal to operator, the division is equal to operator, the modulo is equal to operator, the hashtag is equal to operator. Okay. Getting my point? So these are actually assignment operators. These are assignment operators. So we have logical operators we have increment decrement operators. We have logical operators, increment decrement operators, conditional operators, ternary operators. So we have 4 other operators are there. We'll discuss that in a Monday session. Okay, we have minus is equal to percentile is equal to division is equal to modulo is equal to. Okay, now we have next we'll discuss about conditional operators, logical operators, ternary operators, logical ternary operators, increment and decrement operators. We have these remaining other operators are there. We'll discuss them in Monday session. So without understanding of these operators, it is difficult for you to understand the technical concepts. Why am I explaining these basics and all? You are clear, right? What if you don't understand these basics? You will be just watching the movie. Let me tell you one thing here.